Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps crashing on the application of NFL. You will go to settings as you see and you can click. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you will search about the application of NFL and you can click here. Then in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account or can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem.